So, you might be wondering how I got here. Alright, back up. Let's start earlier. I mean, we really don't need to start earlier. You already saw the review and you know how I got here. So how about some light batoning with the Condor Tool and Knife Swamp Romper instead of a weird knife skit? While I talk about a good customer service experience, which sounds like a terrible premise for a video. Originally, fellow gear reviewerist Journeyman Junk broke the wood handle on the Swamp Romper. He said, with some light hits. He then sent it to me via a stop at Nick Shabazz's place, and he told me to do my worst. Not Nick Shabazz, but Journeyman Junk. And just for the record here, and in my videos, I always do my worst, buddy. Alright, so let's just get that straight. So, Martial Law 123 said in a comment on my Condor video, hey, they may send me a new one if I checked with their customer service. So I did. Explained that I had batoned, not that I was sorry, but just that I did it, and I'm not sure if you cover that. It's totally cool if you don't. But if you didn't, I'd leave irrational comments below every Condor video on the internet because I'm a miserable piece of human garbage. Okay, I didn't say any of that. So guess what? They said, take your knife and shove it. Yep, shove it in a package with this prepaid UPS sticker, and we'll send you a new one. Also, we need your firstborn. So this story does have a happy ending, although that may get it demonetized. Sorry, it won't be a 15-minute video of just my hands or my face, and I guess that's also why my videos don't do well. But Condor Tool and Knife rules. They covered batoning a fixed blade and didn't even say, you know we make axes, right? This is the second time I've sent in something for customer service. The other time was with an SE Junglist 2 when I broke a big chunk out of the blade by batoning. I feel like both of them batoning, there's a lesson I should have learned here, but I don't know what it is. However, they did not send me a prepaid sticker, but I still got a nice replacement knife free of charge. Anyway, if you like these sorts of stories, you'll love where I'm taking this channel next. All customer service stories all the time, and none shorter than 20 minutes of video. So like, subscribe, comment, baton. Thanks for watching.